Now it's off with our running cuts that lower the background. So working across the grain, as I get to the end here, I'm going to rock the cut a little bit like that. Now it's easy, or fairly easy, for me to come against this face here, but not so easy for me to come this way. So I'm going to have to work all this side, turn the piece around, and then work all the other side. So as I come over here, and the subject is in the way, I'm just rocking the tool against the subject like that. But what I'm doing, and I'm going to repeat this because it's really important, is I'm paying attention to these surfaces down the bottom, and I want this to run through under this flower and out the other side. I don't want it to be dipping down or rising up in any way. So try and visualize that going through, even at this stage. When we come over here, and these grooves, by the way, should be pretty much the same depth as the V-tool, so there shouldn't be much V-tool left. Spend a bit of time getting these right, but when we come over here into this sort of area, what we need to do is start using more the corner here. So we can rock that here. We'll be able to take a bit out of this direction, and then coming over here to finish that off. So a little bit of rocking. So I spend a bit of time on this stage, because if I get this right, the next stage goes very quickly. Got that bit down here. So all my cuts are clean, keeping those corners clear and stopping short with that little rocking cut here at the edge. So that's something like as far as I can go in this direction. And now I'm going to turn it round and finish off this edge. So making sure that goes flat. So that's pretty much there. What I'll do now is I'll just have a look over it by eye and make sure that all these grooves are lying just above the surface. So again, I'll spend a little bit of time on this, just making sure that's right, because I know I'll save it in the next stage when we come to leveling off.